What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete WhatsApp status. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you're there, if you're in your chat box, head over to your update section, and here goes my status. Under my status section, and go to my status, and here and there are three dots icon. If you click on it, there will arrive a delete option. You can delete it from here, and you can also try another way. Just head over to the status and click on the three dots icon on the upper right corner, and there comes the delete option too. So just tap on delete. Here comes the layout of delete one status update. Then again tap on delete, and the status is deleted. This is how you can just delete your WhatsApp status. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.